Q8197. The compressor stators in a gas turbine engine act as diffusers to A. Decrease the velocity of the gas flow. B. Increase the velocity of the gas flow. C. Increase the velocity and decrease the pressure of the gas. The correct answer is A. In a gas turbine engine, the compressor stators, also known as stator vanes or stationary vanes, play a vital role in the compression process. The primary function of the compressor stators is to act as diffusers, which slow down the high-velocity air coming from the compressor rotor. As the air flows through the compressor, the rotor blades accelerate it by increasing its velocity. However, this high-velocity air needs to be slowed down and directed properly before entering the next stage of compression or the combustion chamber. The compressor stators achieve this by creating a diffusing effect, which increases the cross-sectional area of the air passage. By increasing the cross-sectional area, the compressor stators effectively decrease the velocity of the gas flow. This helps to optimize the airflow, maintain efficient compression, and ensure proper delivery of air to the combustion chamber. Q8198. The procedure for removing the accumulation of dirt deposits on compressor blades is called A. The soak method field cleaning. B. Field cleaning. C. The purging process. The correct answer is B. Field cleaning is the procedure used to remove the accumulation of dirt deposits on compressor blades in a gas turbine engine. During operation, compressor blades can collect dirt, dust, and other contaminants, which can affect their performance and efficiency. Field cleaning is performed to maintain the optimal condition of the compressor blades and ensure proper airflow through the engine. Field cleaning methods can vary depending on the engine and the specific cleaning requirements. It typically involves using specialized tools and equipment to access the compressor blades and remove the accumulated deposits. This can include using brushes, air blasts, or other cleaning agents to dislodge and remove the dirt. The purpose of field cleaning is to restore the compressor blades to their optimal condition, allowing for efficient air compression and preventing any negative impact on engine performance. Q8199. Which of the following may be used to accomplish internal inspection of an assembled turbine engine? A. Infrared photography. B. Ultrasound. C. A borescope. The correct answer is C. A borescope is used for internal visual inspection of an assembled turbine engine through access openings, allowing inspection of areas such as combustor and turbine sections without disassembly. 8200. What is the possible cause when a turbine engine indicates no change in power setting parameters, but oil temperature is high? A. High scavenge pump oil now. B. Engine main bearing distress. C. Turbine damage or loss of turbine efficiency. The correct answer is B. When a turbine engine indicates no change in power setting parameters, such as RPM or fuel flow, but the oil temperature is high, one possible cause is engine main bearing distress. Main bearings support the rotating components of the engine, such as the turbine shaft, compressor shaft, and accessory gearbox. If the main bearings are worn or damaged, it can lead to increased friction and heat generation, resulting in elevated oil temperatures. Main bearing distress can occur due to various reasons, including inadequate lubrication, excessive loading, or component wear. It is a serious issue that requires immediate attention and investigation to prevent further damage to the engine. 8201. Newton's first law of motion, generally termed the Law of Inertia, states A. To every action there is an equal and reaction. B. Force is proportional to the product of mass and acceleration. C. Everybody persists in its state of rest or of motion in a straight line unless acted upon by some outside force. The correct answer is C. Newton's first law, the law of inertia, states that a body at rest tends to remain at rest and a body in motion tends to remain in motion in a straight line unless acted upon by an outside force.